Saxonville. It's nothing more than paved horse paths. Now the bridge over the Sudbury River on the right is closed for reconstruction, so there's no traffic. Once in a while a construction vehicle leaves. But the bottom line is, why they have the lights going through a complete cycle is a mystery to me. Now we have another set of lights. Okay, more construction. Now going down Danforth Street. We are leaving Saxonville, or almost. More construction. Here we come. And wait, we haven't finished yet. Okay, at the end of this street is Old Connecticut Path, and there's more construction. We're going to be turning right on West Plain Street. More construction. Sometimes we actually have to wait and wait and wait. This time my lane was issued to go through. Better not go over 30 miles an hour here, or you'll get picked up by some cop hidden by here. This is Wayland's revenue generating. I didn't expect to get that light, and there's no turn on red. Okay, now we're on Route 27. Going to cross by the intersection of Route, except it is backed up. Now that light should be such that people making a left turn can do so either after or before the main traffic. So no one on either side can make a left turn. Oh, more construction, but it's on the left-hand side, won't affect us here. It's a fun trip. Lots of variables. I never know whether it's going to take me 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, or whether it's going to take me a half hour or longer. So I never know how to plan my time. Here we go. We're just about at Staples number 8. Voila, we're here.